Recently, I came to know about an incident, and I think you all must have, जहाँ पे एक छोटा बच्चा who was in kindergarten collapsed in front of the teacher, and as they are claiming, it was a cardiac arrest just because he was scared as he did not complete his homework. अब यहाँ पे we all have blamed the teachers, right? But don't you think that teachers are just the scapegoats? And जब भी कोई problem आती है related to anything, the teachers are the first one who are thrown under the bus. Hello everyone. I never thought when I started this page that I'm going to pick up something that is little unconventional or that hits the news. But after listening to this incident and I've being an educator for more than a century, I think I wanted to address this. In school, I'm working with a lot of kids, and they are junior, senior, and everyone. And what I've realized is whenever a parent comes for PTM, they've never asked for the well-being of a child. The first and the foremost question they ask is कि मेरे बच्चे के कितने मार्क्स आए हैं. And the teachers also retaliate in the same way कि आपका बच्चा पढ़ता नहीं है, आपका बच्चा क्लास में टिक के नहीं बैठता, आपके बच्चे की परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं है. तो हमारा जब पूरा एजुकेशन सिस्टम बेस्ड ही मार्क्स और परफॉर्मेंस पे है, then how can we blame a teacher who was trying to do her own work? I have met parents and I've witnessed it myself जहाँ पे they tell it that please hit our child but make sure he or she is studying. And the habits, as we say, they are built from the childhood. So when the teacher is making sure that the child completes the homework, then why, when such an incident happens, the teacher is to be blamed? Is she not doing what she's supposed to do? Yes, of course, that's what she's supposed to do. She's making sure that the child completes the homework, and if he doesn't do it, he's being punished. But here, when this incident happens, all the parents pick up those flags of revolution कि नहीं हमारे साथ गलत हुआ है. Was this incident sad? A lot. But who is more responsible? The teachers, the management, the school, or the parents? So I think I'm giving you some food for thought. Think about it. And do let me know what you feel in the comment box. Take care. See you later.